significantly reduce your manufacturing engineering time. Welcome to Logic Design Corporation, helping transform engineering and manufacturing since 1983. Introducing Global Edge Engineering Assistant, designed for sheet metal fabricators. Global Edge provides an automated production work queue that automatically tests parts for manufacturability issues, and prepares information for nesting and MES software, including the automated generation of Kanban programs. The automated production work queue allows you to queue up your CAD models for processing, and optionally integrates with your ERP and MES systems, to process production without human intervention. As your daily orders are queued up, the software automatically matches each part with the proper bend process. As the Global Edge software executes, a manufacturability test is performed to make sure the part can be successfully fabricated. Global Edge Engineering Assistant automates the manufacturing engineering process to produce accurate and timely information for your nesting and MES software. To schedule a demonstration and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.